Inline skates or rollerblades are nice gear that can be used both for recreational and professional purposes. They come in hundreds of different types, colors, brands and uses, and based on one's personal preferences, they can choose which suits them the best. Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video we will discuss and review the best rollerblades, which are best sold and achieve top-rated reviews from customers and users. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Bladerunner Advantage Rollerblade. If you are just new to inline skating, or maybe you haven't put your rollerblades on for quite a while, then Bladerunner Advantage Pro XT Men are a good pair to start. They are the perfect beginner-level inline skates for men. With plenty of features, you'll really enjoy riding them. They are extremely comfortable and come with 3 parts to the closure system. Its lacing system makes it even great. You can easily tighten or lose them to your customized fit, while the Velcro strap can be used to tighten the heel retention. It also comes with a buckle which can also be tightened for firm ankle support and fit. A big advantage you have with these rollerblades is that when hanging out with friends, they give you the best speed, traction and support. The large 80mm wheels with ABEC7 bearings give a smooth and comfortable roll on any type of terrain and won't hurt your feet at all. Also, built with the highest quality materials, it is made to last longer and won't tear easily. You can literally ride on any type of terrain and still enjoy a smooth ride. Key feature: great for recreation purposes. Made for beginners. Power strap, lace closure and upper buckle for maximum support and comfort. Outstanding speed and bearing performance. Number 2. Roller Derby Rollerblade. Roller Derby Q60 is one of the best inline skates made for women and is perfect for recreational inline skating. They are made both for the beginners and intermediate skaters and come with nicely contoured foam liners that help to shape quickly to your feet and enhance the level of comfort. Because of proper ventilation, it prevents moisture buildup. Also, the lightweight aluminum frame helps to ensure maximum stability. Key feature: good ventilation. Comfortable footbed with a secure fitting. Good stability that will prevent unexpected fall-offs. Guaranteed to help you improve your skating skills. Number 3. Liku Professional Inline Skates. Durable, comfortable, and easy to clean, Liku's black professional inline skates are an excellent pick for first-time skaters. The rollerblades boast a thick, durable shell that will protect and stabilize your foot, making it easier for you to balance. Thanks to a series of buckled straps and high-density laces, this shell will stay firmly in place, hugging your foot as you move around. If you find yourself on more textured terrain, don't worry. The skates' wheels are equipped with shock-absorbing aluminum alloy bearings, which promise to keep you comfortable even if things get a little bumpy. Because thick shells can get heavy and uncomfortable, Liku's black professional inline skates are lined with ventilation holes. These will encourage airflow, keeping your feet cool and comfortable. Once you've finished skating, you can take off your rollerblades and remove the cotton liners padding their interiors. These liners are easy to slip in and out of the skates, making it incredibly hassle-free for you to keep your skates clean and odor-free. Key features: durable, easy to clean, works on a variety of terrains, breathable. Number 4. Bladerunner by Rollerblade Phoenix. Bladerunner is another product by Phoenix with the best adjustment, which gives you a comfortable and customized fit. These inline skates feature cool graphics as well that will make the heads turn. It comes in black and purple color, with the purple being the highest sold and most attractive one. However, the purple color comes at a high-end price. Overall, it is a durable and high-performing Phoenix adjustable fitness skates that will help you improve your game. Key features: durable and comfortable. Maximum stability. Comes with smooth rolling wheels. Brakes inside. Number 5. 2PM Sports Vinyl Rollerblade. If you are looking for a great gift for your little princess on her birthday, then the 2PM Sports Vinyl Girls Adjustable Flashing is a perfect thing to pack inside the box. These skates feature 8 illuminating wheels with cool aesthetics, and a very lightweight aluminum frame which helps to transfer maximum energy with every stride and keeps the child in balance. The triple closure system helps to securely and tightly keep the foot in place and maintain the balance. Key features: comes in 4 adjustable sizes. 8 wheels illuminating. Smooth, quiet and comfortable. Triple closure system for stability. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable notification bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price and purchase link in the description box below.